Hi viewers, welcome to Ganesh YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you how to create end plate connection in Tekla old version, just like this. Okay, let's start. To open Tekla structures, double click on this icon on your desktop. Environment, you need to select US Imperial, role still detailing and configuration still detailing. Then click on OK. Now click on this new model. Let's take model name new model 16 and template still detailing and model type single user. Then click on OK. Next, select this 3D view and click on this arrow to open the 3D view. And close this window and click on here and drag it and click on here to maximize this window. Okay, now we're going to create column. So click on this icon, create column and pick the first position at here. Now right click on interrupt. Now we're going to edit this column. So double click on this column. By default, we have W16 by 50. If you want to change, you can change from here. Click on here, select, and we have the standard profiles here, US standard profiles. If you want to change, you can change from here. Let's take W16 by 45. Then click on apply OK. Then click on modify to see the result. You can see now we have the profile W16 by 45. Now I want to change the top level and bottom level. So click on this position and let's take top level 15 feet and bottom level 0. Then click on modify. Now click on apply to use the same property for the next time. Then click on apply OK. Now select this create column and click on here to place the column with the same property. Right click on interrupt, click on space, right click on review. Now I'm going to create beam. So click on this icon, create beam, and pick the first position here and pick the second position here to create the beam like this. Now right click on interrupt. Now use the shortcut Control R and pick the rotation point. You can rotate like this. Okay, now I'm going to create the connection between column to beam. So go to application components by using the shortcut Control F on your keyboard. You need to type here in search bar 144 and click on search to get end plate 144 connection. If you want to see in thumbnails, then click on this option, thumbnails option. You'll get like this. Now select this component end plate 144 connection and pick the main part as a column and pick the secondary part as a beam to create the connection between column to beam. Just like this. Now close this window, right click on interrupt, click on space, right click on review. You can see now I have by default connection like this. Okay, now use the shortcut Control 2 for shaded view. You'll get like this. Okay, now I'm going to edit this connection as we record. So double click on this connection. You'll get this window like this. Now zoom out, zoom in here. Now I'm going to change the thickness of this connection plate. So go to plates tab, in plates, end plate, enter here thickness. Let's take ½ inch. Then click on modify to see the result here. You can see now the plate thickness should be ½ inch. Now coming to the number of bolts and bolt spacing, go to the bolts tab. In bolts, you can control the number of bolts and bolt spacing from edge to bolt and distance between the bolts. For example, we're going to change the bolt size. So click on here and let's take 5 by 8 bolt and tolerance 1 by 16. Then click on modify to see the result here. You can see now the bolt size should be 5 by 8. Now coming to the bolt position, now click on here, let's take at middle to create the bolts exactly middle of this plate. Then click on modify. You can see now the bolt should be at the middle of this plate. Now coming to the spacing, now click on here and enter, let's take 3 inch edge distance and the number of bolts, let's take 2 in horizontal direction and let's take the spacing 6 inch. Then click on modify. You can see now this 3 inch indicates the edge distance from bolt to edge of this plate and the 2 indicates the number of bolts in horizontal direction 1 and 2 and this 3 indicates the edge distance from bolt to edge of this plate. For example, we require 3 bolts, then enter here 3 number of horizontal bolts and let's take the spacing 4.5 inch. Then click on modify to see the result like this. Now I'm going to change the spacing here. Let's take 5 inch. Now click on modify. You'll get like this. Now coming to widthwise direction, let's take here edge distance 2 inch and the number of bolts 2 in vertical direction, and the spacing we're going to take 4 inch. Then click on modify to see the result. You'll get like this. Okay, let's take here the spacing 3 inch. Then click on modify. You'll get like this. Okay, let's take spacing 4 inch and the edge distance 1.5 inch. Then click on modify to see the result like this. If you want to create the stiffeners in column, so go to stiffeners tab, enter here the thickness of the stiffener. Let's take 1/4 inch and select it and Ctrl C copy and click on here and paste Ctrl V shortcut. Then click on modify to see the result here. Stiffeners will be created. You can see now we have the stiffeners like this. In stiffeners, we have chamfer at this location at the corner of this column. If you want to change this chamfer value, then click on here and enter ½ inch chamfer horizontal and vertical direction. Then click on modify to see the result. Select this connection plate and then click on modify to see the result. You can see now this chamfer value should be ½ inch on horizontal and vertical direction. If you don't require the stiffener, you can select this option, and without stiffener option then click on modify to see the result. We don't have any stiffener at this location. If you require, then click on here and select this option with stiffener, then click on modify to create the stiffeners like this. If you don't require any chamfer, then click on here and select without chamfer, then click on modify. You'll get without chamfer. But this is the standard column with the curved edges here, so we need to create the chamfer. So select this option and the chamfer value ½ inch, then click on modify to see the result like this. Now click on modify, apply, OK. Click on space, right click on mouse, review. If you want to create the same connection at this location, so go to application components and select this end plate once again and pick the main part as a column and pick the secondary part as a beam to create the connection between column to beam like this with the same values. Right click on mouse, interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse, review. You can see you'll get like this. Use the shortcut Ctrl 4 for render view. You'll get like this. Okay, that's it about how to create end plate connection in Tekla old version. If you like this video, please like it and share it. If you have any doubts, please comment below. For more Tekla structure related videos, please go to my channel youtube.com/GanySK. I will provide this link in the description below of this video. Please go through it and come here. Under videos, you can find out so many Tekla structure related videos. I hope these videos might be helpful to you. And at the top right corner, please click on subscribe button. If you subscribe, you will get notification or updates when I upload a new video. So please click on subscribe. Okay, thank you.